Hi, my name is Tiffany. I go to Valley Christian, and this is the final milestone for my intensive project, The Third Eye for the Blind. So for my final milestone, I tried to use voice control to toggle between this buzzer and this motor right here. And the reasoning for that was that I thought physically toggling between them would be pretty inconvenient as a blind person. So the way this works is that I have an ultrasonic sensor right here, and when an object is within 20 centimeters of it, the buzzer should start buzzing because I have the default set to buzzer. So as you can see right now, the buzzer is buzzing because my hand is close to the sensor. However, when I say the command word, it should toggle to the motor right here, so the motor should start vibrating instead. Switch. As you can see, the motor is vibrating instead of the buzzer. So the way this all works is that I used machine learning to have it recognize the command word. And the way I had it toggle between the buzzer and the motor was that I used a flag, which is sort of like a Boolean where it's assigned a value based on the conditions met. So I wrote a line of code that said if flag equals 0, then flag should switch to 1. And if flag is switched to 1, then it should equal to 0. And this is like all after my command word is recognized. And I had flag initially defined as 0, so that's why the buzzer was set to default. And I did run into some challenges doing this. For example, I had originally formatted my code wrong, so the flag wouldn't switch properly. And then after that, I realized that my buzzer and my motor wasn't working enough because my Arduino is a 3.3 volt, while this is a 5 volt buzzer and that's a 5 volt motor. So the way I solved that was I used a transistor which connects to the one 5 volt pin on this Arduino so that the buzzer and the motor both get 5 volts. And yeah, that's basically my final milestone.